Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Forte gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. This is usually found on the driver's side floor, often near the seat or the door sill. Pull this lever firmly upwards or outwards to unlatch the fuel door. You'll hear a small click as it releases, indicating it's ready to be opened. Then, proceed to the fuel door itself. The fuel door release lever in your Kia Forte is strategically placed for easy access. You'll find it on the driver's side, usually on the floor to the left of the driver's seat, or sometimes integrated into the lower dash panel. It often has a small icon of a gas pump or a fuel cap to help you identify it quickly. A firm pull is all it takes to pop open the fuel door. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the gas cap. To remove it, simply turn the cap slowly counterclockwise. You should hear a few clicks as the cap loosens, which is a safety feature indicating it's properly sealed. Continue turning until it's completely free. Most Kia Forte models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can hang the cap while you refuel. With the gas cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Kia Forte. Once you're finished, remove the nozzle and replace the gas cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear at least one click, ensuring it's securely sealed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping. Then, simply push the fuel door closed until it latches firmly. And for more great tips on managing your finances, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.